Good evening. My name is Bill Corday. I'm the adult acting teacher here at the National Film Acting School. What you're about to see this evening is the result of 8 weeks of scene study by the students participating. I give them a lot of material, and usually a full-length play, what you will see tonight will be almost the length of a full-length play. Usually a full-length play is given 50 to 60 hours minimum rehearsal. So when you consider that what they will be doing tonight is a result of 8 two-hour sessions, it's fairly remarkable. It will consist mostly of monologues. There will be 2 scenes in the second half. We'll take a 5-minute break for the benefit of the cameraman because it's kind of straining on him for him to be standing, bending over all night. Okay, let me see if the first actor is ready. We can start. Okay, the very first monologue is from a play called Hatful of Rain. Hatful of Rain was written by Michael Gazzo, an American playwright, and he was writing, I'll be setting up all the scenes because these are out of context. He was writing scenes for the Actors Studio in New York, and when the Actors Studio decided they wanted to finally do a production, they asked him to put some of the scenes into a play form, and this is the play that came out of it. It was done on Broadway with Shelley Winters and Ben Gazzaro. I think Ben Gazzaro went into the film version of it as well, but I think Eva Marie Saint replaced Shelley Winters in the film role. This particular monologue is the character of Johnny. Johnny is a drug addict, and Johnny lives with his wife and his brother, is a boarder with them. His brother, unbeknownst to the wife, has been financing Johnny's habit. And Johnny and Polo were both orphans, and the father is paying a visit. And Polo had promised to give the father $2,500 to start a business, and this $2,500 is shot because of his feeding Johnny's habit. So Johnny has the guilt of knowing that he's responsible for Polo not being able to give his father that money. So this is the evening after the father's arrival, where Johnny's wife has asked him what did you do all day, because you couldn't have taken that much time to pick up your father. So the role of Johnny will be played by Peter Kladis.
This morning you denied it was a bust, that we were on the rocks. After you left, did you ever feel like you were going crazy? Ever since I knew the old man was coming up, I just can't stop remembering things. Like all night long, I've been hearing that whistle. The old man used to whistle like that when he used to call us. I was supposed to come right home from school, but I played marbles. Maybe every half hour he'd whistle. I'd be on my knees in the schoolyard with my Miami glove on. Take a woman's glove, and you cut off the fingers, and your fingers are free. And your knuckles, they don't bleed in the wintertime. I just kept on playing. And the whistle got madder and madder. It would start to get dark. And I'd get worried. But I wouldn't come home until I won all the marbles. And he'd be up on the porch, whistling away. I'd cross myself at the door. And there was a grandmother I had who taught me to cross myself, to protect myself from lightning. I'd open the door, and I'd go in. And I'd hold up the sham, a bag of marbles, and I'd say, "Hey, Pop, I won! Wham! Pow! I wind up in a corner. Saying, Pop, I didn't hear you. I didn't hear you. I'm trying to tell you what I did today. Then I took a train. And I took a bus. And I went to visit the house I was born in. It's only an hour away. But in 15 years, I had never gone anywhere near that house. I had to go. I can't explain the feeling. They must have thought I was crazy. The way I looked around. The way I kept staring at the old house. I was going to ask if I could knock on the door and just look around. But then I went to that Saybrook school where my old man used to whistle. And the orange fire escapes. And the ivy still climbing up the walls. And then I took a bus and a train. And I went to meet the old man's place and we came here. All right, home. All right, here, not home. You know, since I left that town, I've lived in a lot of places. There was always a table, some cups, and some windows. And there was always somebody, the boss, someone to tell you what to do, someone to tell you what not to do, someone to slap you down, someone to pep you up. There was always a bed.
Thank you.
What do I know about a home?